Pokémon Go gameplay. Pokémon Go is the purpose of locating, catching, battle and trade Pokémon, and encourage them to communicate with other players close to Pokémon Go while doing it. Stand up and go out to find and capture Pokémon wild. Explore the cities and towns all over the place in which they live and even around the world to capture the largest possible number of Pokémon as you can. As you move around, shaking the smartphone to let him know that you are near the Pokémon. Once you have found Pokémon, targeting on the touch screen of your smartphone, launch the ball poke to catch it. Be careful when you try to catch it, or can escape. Also look PokéStops located in an interesting, such as public art installations, historical markers and monuments, archaeological sites, where you can choose more Pokeballs and other items, Pokémon Company writes in the official blog sites. I am confused? The trailer video of Pokémon Go at the top of this page can help make things a little clearer for you things.